Hello, good afternoon. This is Adrian Arce from Vinci International School once again. I would like to tell you about the program we are launching on Monday, which is a physical fitness program for junior high and high school. Like every year, we take our students, junior high school and high schoolers, to the fitness center, to the sports center. And over there we spend, or maybe twice a week, a couple of hours. We do track and field, and we also do some sports. We do basketball, volleyball, and we play dodgeball and other games. Because of the COVID-19 crisis, we haven't been able to do that. The sports center is not available, and we don't know when this situation is going to get resolved. But we do have the need of having our teenagers or pre-teenagers doing physical activity. The first reason why the physical activity program is important for teenagers is common knowledge. They are growing. They need to develop healthy bone growth, muscle growth. And by doing regular physical activity, they are preventing conditions in the future, such as heart conditions, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and obesity. Those four are the main ones. The second reason is also very important. It has to do with the brain. There is a characteristic of the brain that is called neuroplasticity. In the latest studies in the last, 10, 15, 20 years maybe, this has been a big discovery. It means that the brain can change functions according to various needs that we face. Now, neuroplasticity is something that gets stimulated with physical activity, regular physical activity, exercise. Exercise stimulates neuroplasticity in the brain of teenagers. The challenges that our teenagers are exposed to in coming to an international school, some of them they are bilingual, some of them they are learning a whole entire language to study in that language. Now those challenges are very big, and these challenges require from our teens extra effort. So sometimes they do their best, and they are exhausted at the end of the day when they are studying so much. Exercise or physical activity actually promotes, stimulate neuroplasticity, which means that the brain actually will adapt to the need of supplying more resources, create new connectivity among neurons, among brain cells for certain tasks. Actually, to put it in simple terms, exercise make our teenagers study better. The learning processes that they go through, they become easier and more enjoyable. So this is what we can do for them. We can actually help them to develop new habits of exercising a certain amount of time a day before studying, and by doing that, what we are giving them is a better day, better quality of life. So this is why we want to start with a program which is consistent activity. Every day we will have 30 minutes at least of cardiovascular activity. We will run, we will do some sport. On rainy days we are developing a program that we can do in the gym, in our gym in the school, and we will have this every day before starting the day. For some of them, because they come at different times, we're going to wait until they are all together, and we're going to do this in the middle of the day. Now, is this enough physical activity? Maybe not. Maybe they can do some more, and maybe we can include some other sports in some other times. But it is very important for them to do everyday physical activity with the purpose of helping them to have a better day in school to study better. Now, another aspect of this physical activity that we need to mention is that it also helps regulate the emotional state of the teenager. Some teenagers are very intense. We have them here, and we know. And emotionally speaking, they go through intense things in life. So we need to understand them. But by promoting exercise every day, we will help them to handle in a better way their own emotions, understand their emotions, but also holding their emotions, making them work for their own good. So we will start on Monday. We don't need to have the teenagers coming earlier or leaving later. This is going to be within school hours, but they need to bring sports shoes. They need to bring also a small towel and an extra shirt so they can change. After doing some fitness, they're going to be sweaty, and to start the day studying, it might be good to have them changing, refreshing before starting the academic part of the day. We start on Monday, and we will go continuously, and I will come back to you with some updates on how this is going. Thank you.